One area, this is a new piece that I've added to this presentation, is that we've been focused on around systems, is really changing the notion of benefits of the company. So my team has done a lot of work on this over the last year, where this whole idea of perks and benefits are out. You hear a lot of, or I hear a lot, I should say, of, people enjoy working at Google because of the free food. And I think the free food thing is going away a little bit. We certainly have, in particular with the younger generation who are joining the company, they're much more attuned and interested in, what is it that the company is doing around things like sustainability? How does the company think about topics like mental health? How does the company think about topics like racial injustice? And they want to have a lot more pride in the company they work for, and see the impact the company is having. And so we've done a fairly dramatic change of our employee benefits that historically have always been known as benefits of the company, and really started to focus on these things around impact, being linked to everyday work, the pride of working here, support for people's families and their well-being, support for personal and professional growth, flexibility, in particular right now, of how people want to work, where they want to work from, and also the community, both locally and globally, that we operate in. And so we rebranded our entire benefits about 2 months ago and called it Essentials, because that's what we think it is in this day and age. Is it's an essential set of things that a company, at least of our size and scale, needs to be providing to our employees. And this just gives you a sense of some of the campaign. This is literally an internal campaign that, it looks a lot like an external advertising campaign, but this is an internal campaign that we're running at the moment inside of the company that talks about these four pillars of community, flexibility, growth, and well-being. So, just this week, I got an email as part of this campaign saying, here's how we can support you or your family or people who have suicidal thoughts, and we provide counseling and mentorship for people around the broader topic of mental health. So that's been a big area for us around culture change, is making this shift away from the notion of benefits, which is very much how much do I get paid and how many holidays do I get, into this culture of, I want to be proud to work for this company and to be able to talk about what this company does in the world.